Take a ride in the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, ambient lighting. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.